Packing thoughtfully for a trip ensures that you are prepared for various situations and can enjoy your vacation without unnecessary stress or inconvenience. Having a packing list before you travel is important because it helps you remember everything you need. Pack efficiently, save time, reduce stress, and comply with regulations and stay organized during your trip. While I am thinking about it, if you can do me a favor and hit that subscribe, follow button, and push that like button, this will allow you to see future videos that will include travel tips, destination ideas, and possible travel deals that you may not want to pass up. Having a packing list before you travel is important because it helps travelers stay organized and efficient, avoiding overpacking, reduce stress and anxiety, reduces cost, and will not need to purchase forgotten necessities. It keeps you from forgetting important documents, and it helps you maximize your comfort during travel. You will not want to forget essential documents such as passport, visa, travel insurance, flight, train, bus tickets, hotel reservations, emergency contacts, or your driver's license. You need to think about things such as bringing cash, credit, debit cards, and a travel wallet. Appropriate clothing will matter too, in addition to essentials like underwear, socks, t-shirts, pants, shorts, skirts, sleepwear, swimwear. You must also consider jackets, walking shoes, formal outfits, rain gear. The goal is to pack as lightly as possible, so being versatile with some of these items is key. Toiletries that are important would be a toothbrush, toothpaste, shampoo, conditioner, body wash, deodorant, razor, brush, or comb, hair styling products, face wash and moisturizer, sunscreen, lip balm, makeup, feminine hygiene products, prescription medication, and a basic first aid kit. Some of these items you may be able to leave at home depending on where you are staying and what they supply travel guests. Certain electronics are also very important, like phone, charger, laptop or tablet, camera with its accessories, portable power bank, travel adapter, converter, headphones. Again, not all these items are needed, but they are good to have when traveling internationally. Other miscellaneous items such as travel pillow, eye mask and earplugs, travel towel, reusable water bottle, snacks, a travel journal and pen, day pack, small backpack, packing cubes, organizers, laundry bags, Ziploc bags, sunglasses and reusable shopping bag, travel locks, anti-theft bag, copies of prescriptions, travel guidebook, language translator, hand sanitizer, and wet wipes. All of these items can make a big difference in your travels. I even started packing a roll-up, blow-up mattress with inflatable pillow, as I have had to sleep on the airport floor before. A packing list can change slightly depending on the destination. I would love to know your best packing hack or item you cannot live without when you travel. Please leave the answer in the comments below. If you would like my packing list, leave me a message in the comments below and I'll be happy to provide that. And remember, before you start packing, always check the weather forecast for your destination and adapt your packing list accordingly. This will make for more happy travels. And if you appreciate my videos and you want to see more, please follow or subscribe and hit that like button. This way you know when a new video is released. This also shows your support in helping me create these videos. Thank you for watching, and remember to live, laugh, love, and travel. I'll see you in the next video.